Hey.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Kill him.
Me and my motherfucking nigga. We smoking blunts and we get all the bitches.
Hey.
Fucking, cause they fucking flish, though. We don't give a fuck a ski on my fucking nose.
Hey.
And I'm telling you, don't try to fuck with me or my bros. I'm telling you before I go to you and break your nose.
No.
Don't fuck with my niggas, though. I'm telling you, we all got the fucking pistol, though.
Adidas on your socks. Bitch, I give you pops. Throw the bitch out the window and then I sock.
Hey.
Biscuits, eggs and cheese, though. I eat your bitch like a flat burrito.
Hey, and we don't fuck with them camel toes, dirty asshole. Wanna go back to the liquor store? Hey, get off.
You know, back to the liquor store. And you know I'ma tell them bitches to buy me a couple blunt wraps so we can roll up. Then probably let my homie Robert get some top. Cause you know he need to top. From a thought.
Hey.
You
and I'm
already
telling
know.
you, when I thought bust, I'm telling you, I'm gonna suck that shit up, cuz. I'm telling you, I'm a nasty nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'll fuck your bitch, cause she a fucking thot. I'm telling you, nigga, you a fucking bitch. I'm telling you, I'll go to her, then I'll hit a lick. I'm telling you, fuck your bitch, she a fucking snitch. And I'm about to pass the shit to my homie, to me.
We in the store, though. We don't call it YOLO. Stater brothers in this shit. Trapped up, we go, though. Fred Dodo. Eat your bitch, I don't give a fuck, YOLO.
Hey, yeah.
And I'm chilling with my niggas, though. High as fuck, smoking blunts, cause we really don't even give a fuck. And we chilling with all your bitches. Nigga, you mad cause your bitch keep tricking? Hey, my nigga Stick about to get off.
We don't
You already know tricking like Treasure said.
Hey.
And you know we fucking a couple bitches at the same time and smoking a couple blunts.
Hey.
And I'm telling you, though, I'm telling you, we got the motherfucking pistol. You mad cause your bitch be snitching on the low, though. But I'm telling you, me and my niggas are low, yo.
Hey.
We all get some top. We all get some top. We get some top, we don't give a fuck.
She's a thot.
Hey.
Tatianas, though. You could give a start, then hand a bitch the antidote.
Hey, dirty hoes. Always wanna come back like bitch, go back where your habitat.
I'm telling you, you broke, you be fucking the bro, you loose bitch, you a fucking hoe.
Hey.
I'm telling you, you be on the flow, fucking fuck by all the bros. I'm telling you, you dirty hoe. I'm telling you, I'll pull out the fucking pistol and point that shit on you and say, what's up, bro?
We killing.
We
killing like some villains. Hey, stupid bitches wanna get it ass you silly. Hey.
Me and my niggas, though, we trapping and we really don't give a fuck, though.
Hey.
Fuck no music, we don't need that shit, though.
Hey, we turned that shit was turned up, bro.
Let's hear that.
All right.